For over 25 years, Ed's has been Dayton's go-to solution for all things electric. From electric panel maintenance to backup generator installation, no job is too big or too small for our team of skilled electricians. Whether you're planning a renovation or experiencing an emergency, Ed's is here for you when you need them. Our residential and commercially licensed electricians will work hard to find you the best and most affordable options to solve your problem right the first time. Ed's Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, Electric. One call does it all.